Business. The word business is derived from the French word busy. Thus, business means being busy. However, in a specific sense, business refers to an occupation in which people regularly engage in activities related to purchase, production or sale of goods and services with view of earning profits. Business activities are divided into two broad groups, so they are economic and non-economic activities. So, economic activities are those by which profit is earned, and non-economic activities are those performed through love, sympathy, patriotism. Let's discuss about this topic in detail in upcoming videos. Goodbye for now. Meet you in the next session.